Today I welcome all of you. I congratulate all of you for to become fast due to corona and entered in 11 science. So your 1 year hard work is not counted, but just common result is given to all students, that is to be said mass promotion. But collect your all energy for 11 science, because 11 science is the base to make your dream true. So we are having started some basic chemistry lecture, that is very most important to cover chapters. As I already said that if you want to know Gujarati, you must have knowledge of Hakka Barakshari, and if you want to know English, then you must have knowledge of ABCD spelling. Same way, if you become master in chemistry, you must know name of element, atomic number, number of proton, electron, neutron present in element, and molecular formula that contain elements. So we are introduced basic lecture, but now today we are going to add some important topic in today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss 20 elements, first 20 elements, and then we will have, according to its atomic number, we can have the charge positive or negative, how it is done on element, and why it gets electron or leave electron or loss electron will be discussed. So today we will discuss first 20 elements, its name, its symbol, and its atomic number. So atomic number means AN, name of element, and symbol. First, we all know that atomic number 1, that is hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen is capital H. Second atomic number, that is helium. Symbol of helium as capital E small. Third number, it is lithium. Symbol of lithium is L capital and I small. Beryllium, symbol is capital B small e. 5 number boron, capital B. 6 number carbon, capital C. 7 number nitrogen, capital N. 8 number oxygen, capital O. 9 number fluorine, capital F. 10 number neon, capital N and small e. These are the first 10 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Next 10 atoms are from 11 to 20. Atomic number, name of element, and symbol. So So atomic number 11, that is sodium, symbol is Na. Atomic number 12, that is magnesium, symbol is Mg. Atomic number 13, aluminium, symbol Al. Atomic number 14, silicon, Si. Atomic number 15, phosphorus, capital T. Sulfur, S. Chlorine, 17 number chlorine, Cl. Argon, Ar. Potassium, K. And calcium, Ca. So first 20 elements and its symbol is very most important, and all these elements contain number of electron and number of proton according to its atom number. Suppose atom number 1, number of electron and proton also 1. So hydrogen having how many electron present? 1 electron. Hydrogen having how many proton present? 1 proton. Same way, helium having 2 electron, 2 proton, lithium having 3 electron, 3 proton, beryllium having 4 electron, 4 proton, boron having 5 electron, 5 proton, carbon having 6 electron, 6 proton, like that. Need not to write the other number of electron and proton present in element. So kindly understand that any atom is neutral. Electron is negative charge and proton is positive charge. So any element is neutral. It means number of electron and number of proton must be same. Nitrogen is neutral. It means nitrogen having 7 electron means 7 minus charge, and 7 proton means 7 plus charge. Same number of opposite charge, value will be 0, and so it is neutral. So every element is neutral, and it is depend on number of electron and number of proton. So these are the very most important. You can say the definition of any element: number of electron present is the atomic number, number of proton present is atomic number. So atomic number of any element is depend on number of electron and number of proton present in it. Nitrogen atomic number 7. So number of 7 proton present in nitrogen, number of electron present in nitrogen, neutron having not the same number in every element. It is depend on atom structure, and availability of neutron is different in different elements. So we cannot say that number of proton, number of electron and number of neutron are same in the element. So this is the simple but important first 20 elements that will help you to understand chemistry. Suppose you want to write down any formula, suppose sulfuric acid, then there are the first 20 elements present in sulfuric acid. Hydrogen atom number 1, sulfur atom number 16, oxygen atom number 8. Nitric acid HNO3, hydrogen atom number 1, nitrogen atom number 7, oxygen atom number 8, ammonia NH3, nitrogen atom number 7, hydrogen atom number 1. It means first 20 atom number is very most important to make formula of any molecule. So if you want to make formula of any molecule, you must know the symbol of atom, atomic number. As you know the atomic number, you can easily count that how many protons are present in atom and how many electrons are present in atom. It is equal. Atom number is given to number of proton and number of electron counted. Then if X atom having 8 proton, it means atomic number is given 8 and there will be definitely 8 electrons. So this is the very most important and interesting story related to first 20 elements of chemistry, and these elements can form compound. Why any compound is having the neutral charge? How can compound get negative charge? How can compound get positive charge? Will be discussed in very next lecture. So kindly concentrate first 20 elements number, then we will discuss another topic related to this. Kindly revise this topic. Till that I am stopping this lecture. Thank you. Hi friends. So these are the first 20 atom number, name of element and its atomic number, number of electrons and protons are equal in any element, so element is neutral. Now how the element can get positive charge and element can get negative charge, how it is done, this is also very most important topic to understand molecule formula. So next topic is any element can either positive charge or negative charge depend on gaining of number of electron and losing of number of electron. So first, any element wants to become noble gas. Helium is noble gas, neon is noble gas, and argon is noble gas. These three are noble gases out of first 20 atoms. So very closer noble gas is important for element. First we will discuss related to hydrogen. Hydrogen having 1 electron and 1 proton. We all know that. If hydrogen atom number of helium is 2, atom number neon is 10, and atom number is argon is 18. It means 18 electron present in argon, 10 electron present in neon, and 2 electron present in helium. So due to this noble gas electronic configuration or number of electron, element will try to make the same number of electron to its nearby noble gas. Suppose hydrogen having 1 electron, if hydrogen can get 1 electron, then it will become having the 2 electron, and the electron number of electron will become like helium. So hydrogen will get 1 electron, hydrogen will get 1 electron, hydrogen will become minus. There is one simple explanation. If element is getting electron, then charge will minus, and element is losing electron, charge will become plus. I am writing over here. an element gets electron, then charge will positive. An element lost electron, charge will negative. Lost electron, charge will positive. If element is getting electron, then charge will negative, and if element is losing electron, the charge will positive. It is depend on number of electrons. If 2 electron gain, then 2 minus charge. 2 electron lost, then it is plus 2 charge. So gaining of electron, charge minus. Losing of electron, charge will become plus. Very easy, very simple. Now I am not keeping this statement on the board because I have to write down so many things on the board, so I am rubbing this board. Okay. So hydrogen, if get hydrogen 1 electron, then hydrogen will become minus, and number of hydrogen minus having 2 electron, and hydrogen neutral having 1 electron. So if you are to be said that hydrogen minus having how many electrons? 2 electrons. Neutral hydrogen having how many electrons? It is depend on atom number. 1 atom number means there is 1 electron. Helium itself negative ion. Hydrogen having 2 tendency. Hydrogen can lose electron, so hydrogen will become plus also. Gaining of electron will be the left hand side, and losing of electron will be shown after the arrow, means right hand side. Gaining of electron will be shown before arrow, and losing of electron will be shown after arrow. Kindly note it. So lithium atom number 3, it means 3 electron. If it wants to become helium, because nearby noble gas of lithium is helium. Neon is also noble gas, but for neon, lithium should get 7 electrons. But if want to become helium, lithium should lose 1 electron. Means very near noble gas to lithium is helium. So to get the number of electron equal to helium, lithium should lose 1 electron. So lithium will lose 1 electron, lithium will become plus 1, and there will be 1 electron. Same way, if beryllium want to become helium, then beryllium should lose 2 electrons. So Be will become 2 plus, and here will be 2 electrons, because nearby noble gas of beryllium is helium, not neon. If boron want to become helium, boron should lose 3 electrons. So B will be 3 plus, and here will be 3 electrons. Boron having number of electron 5 electron. Boron having number of electron 5 electron. Boron 3 plus having number of electron 3 electron. Beryllium number of electron 4 electron. Beryllium 2 having number of electron 2 electron. Lithium number having electron 3. When lithium plus, electron number are 2. So if you are to be said how many electrons present in boron 3 plus, boron having 5 electrons, but boron 3 plus having 2 electrons. 3 plus means boron has lost 3 electrons, then it will become 3 plus. If you are to be said now the turn of carbon is there, so we will discuss carbon. Carbon electron 6, atom number 6. Carbon can lose 4 electrons and can having the number of electrons same to helium, carbon can gain 4 electrons. Number of electrons will be 10. So carbon can lose electron because both the sides number of electrons are same. If carbon want to become helium, carbon should lose 4 electrons. If carbon want to become neon, carbon should get 4 electrons. It means it will not convert into neon or helium. The electron configuration will equal to helium and equal to neon. So carbon can get 4 electrons, carbon can lose 4 electrons, so carbon can be positive ion and carbon can be negative ion. So now carbon, if carbon is losing 4 electrons, carbon will be 4 plus and 4 electrons. Here number of electrons, carbon neutral having 6 electrons and carbon 4 plus having 2 electrons. If carbon is getting 4 electrons, carbon will become 4 minus number of electron carbon having 6 electrons, number of electron carbon 4 minus having 10 electrons. Now we are going to discuss about nitrogen. Nitrogen atom number 7, 7 electrons. Nearby noble gas is 10, neon. Here another noble gas is helium. Here number of electron 2, here is number of electron 10. So nitrogen having 7 electrons. If want to become helium, should lose 5 electrons. If want to get neon, should get 3 electrons. Means very nearer noble gas is neon, so always nitrogen will become same number of electrons of neon. So nitrogen can get 3 electrons. Nitrogen will become 3 minus. Here number of electrons 7. Here number of electrons 10. Same way oxygen atom number 8. 8 electrons. If it wants to become helium, should lose 6 electrons. If it wants to become neon, should get 2 electrons. 2 electrons is the number of less electrons. So nearby noble gas of oxygen is neon. So oxygen will get 2 electrons and oxygen will become 2 minus number of oxygen neutral having 8 electrons, number of oxygen 2 minus having 10 electrons. And last fluorine atom number 9, 9 electron. Nearby noble gas is neon, so it will get 1 electron and fluoride ion will become, here will be 10 electrons. Very interesting, very important. So this is the charge obtained by element by losing of electron or by gaining of electron depend on nearby noble gas. So there are 3 noble gas: helium, neon and argon. In first 20 elements, only not 3 noble gas, but first 3 noble gas among first 20 elements is helium atom number 2, neon atom number 10, argon atom number 18. Elements will try to make same number of electrons of its nearby gas. So you have to concentrate that which noble gas is nearer to which element. If element should lose electron, there will be positive charge, and if element should get electron, there will be negative charge. That is the pilot. And number of electron will be changed depend on the charge obtained by the element. So this is the very most important, very interesting lecture, and then you can understand why H2SO4 is there, why NH3 is there. You can see that NH3, hydrogen is 1 plus, 3 hydrogen means 3 plus, and nitrogen is 3 minus. So NH3 is neutral because nitrogen can convert into 3 minus. So always nitrogen having 3 minus. Hydrogen is plus 1. Hydrogen can become positive ion and hydrogen can become negative ion. So place of hydrogen is not fixed in periodic table. Chapter number 3 is periodic table. That is very most important chapter. But you must know the basic knowledge of any compound, why there are NH3, why NH2 is not written. NH4, if you are writing, there must be 1 plus. Suppose we are having NH4. So 1 hydrogen plus 1, 4 hydrogen plus 4, and 1 nitrogen is minus 3, plus 4 minus 3 means charge will be plus. Nitrogen is 3 minus. If there are 4 hydrogen, means plus 4 charge, plus 4 charge, minus 3 charge means plus 1 charge is remain. So ammonium having always plus charge, always plus charge. In my first lecture, difference between ammonia and ammonium I have explained. So very interesting, very easy chemistry. Try to cover all these topics and send me homework 2 times without fail. And admission procedure is already started. Kindly come with your parents and confirm your admission because you are given free tablet and you are given attracting scholarship. So you already know about us and now you are already in 11 science. So without any hesitation, visit our school and confirm your admission. Thank you very much.